What's up, YouTube? Something very strange happened today. We got to talk all about it, guys. But do me a favor. Before we do that, please make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys. NVIDIA, the one we've all been waiting for, had earnings today after market close. They actually crushed earnings, blew it out the water, guys. But we got to talk about the reaction, what it means, and why these things start happening. Okay, this is what's strange though, guys. So check it out. Leading up to earnings, this was sitting at easily $500. Okay, it was like 502, 501. Yesterday was at 505. I had told you guys leading up to this, we were going to test 500. We hit that 2 or 3 times in previous days. We were even there up into earnings. But check this out. They knocked it out the park. They crushed every facet of the earnings. They beat on the top, bottom line, everything across the board. The outlook is good. You couldn't ask for a better report. But when something has ran up, guys, 230%, sometimes they like to take profit, okay? And that's what this is today. Check this out, guys. After earnings came out, it dropped from 502 all the way down here, guys, to 489. Okay, now check this out. I seen it go to 477, and that's the level I want to point out to you guys to look out for on tomorrow that may offer some support if we don't get a bounce. Okay, and so listen, guys, I can't stress it enough. All right, when stocks run up, you have to lock in profit. You had to reward yourself. Some of you have crushed Palantir, SoFi, NVIDIA, Tesla, and I've seen it time and time again, especially in years past, where you are forgetting the importance of locking in profit. And then when the stock comes down, now it comes back down, and then you're no longer in profit, or you're back to where you bought it at. And now you're hoping, will it go back up? Will it go back up? Nope. Just do what you're supposed to do in terms of locking in some of your gains on the ride up. I often stress that this is a marathon for a reason. Stock's going to go up, then they're going to come all the way back down. You don't have to feel like you can't hold, or the price target is this, so I was holding out for this. No, if you're up and if we hit a significant patch of the market of sentiment or whatever, sometimes, guys, you got to make that executive decision to lock in some profit, or just have a stop loss on, so that if the stock ever comes down too much or too past a certain level, then it kicks you out whatever you allocate, whether it's half of your shares, all of your shares, a third of your shares, and then you know you're protected as well. All right, but listen, all this did today was, this looks like profit taking to me. All right, and so what I want you guys to do is be on the lookout for tomorrow to see if this brings more stocks down with it, because now that they've seen that they're taking profits from NVIDIA, don't rule out other companies going down because they're profit taking as well. Profit taking just simply means Wall Street is selling. Okay, now check this out. One thing I wanted to point out for you, I saw this come down to 177 when the earnings first came out today. It crashed and it came down to this level, and I said, man, so the next level tomorrow to look out for if it goes down is 469.53. Okay, and I want you guys to say 2 things to yourself. Okay, I'm looking for a bounce at this level. All right, and then guess what? They're going to go right back to 500. But if we don't bounce at this 469.53 level, then, guys, it's not out of the equation for us to come back down to 450. Okay, and so again, this is what's called a healthy pullback. When something has ran 230%, you can pull back and still be up 200%. You can pull back and still be up 180%. Okay, so again, people want a posture and position to be able to get into the play so they can ride it up. Where to? Like I told you guys, 500 and beyond, because that's where it's going to live at. Okay, now check this out. With that being said, I wanted to cover the SPY for you all as well. They're currently sitting at 453.43. The ticker symbol on this one is SPY. Okay, this one was down 0.22% today, or almost $1. Okay, now check this out. They fell pretty significantly during the day, and they came all the way down here to that 451.90 to 452.06 level. Okay, because of what happened with Nvidia, I want you guys to be looking for a retest of this exact number right here. Remember, I taught you guys there's no coincidences in the market. Don't ever just look at these price points and think, oh, it's just 452.06. No, they're coming to revisit that level tomorrow, and they may take it even lower depending on how the day goes. Okay, however, this is also a bounce area that buyers step back in at, so you have to be reactive, you have to be flexible and nimble. Okay, keep an eye out on this level for me tomorrow. This will be your support. All right, this will be clear level of support. If we break down below this level, then guys, you got 450 incoming. Okay, however, I'm going to break all this down for you first thing in the morning inside the Discord, so you guys can take full advantage of this, knock it out the park, and make some money to close out your Thanksgiving holiday. Okay, but just keep an eye out on that. The high of the day was around 453.54. Okay, we didn't really get much higher than that, so they're keeping us in this range. Okay, however, if we get above that, then that opens the door for us to go back and test 455. Okay, that's the ultimate goal, but remember, you have to pull back, and that's all that's happening right now. It's the Wall Street has packed it in. Many have went home for the Thanksgiving holiday, so you're going to see slow movement, low volume, okay, and little volatility. And so understand those things, which is why I want you guys to really lock in on your resistance levels and support levels so that you can get the best bang for your buck on these slow moving days. Okay, but with that being said, guys, check it out. Nvidia, the one we've all been waiting for, has finally reported. They knocked it out the park, but the stock was either going to blast off, but up 230%. You kind of got to live with the fact that it sold off. Okay, now check this out. I want to say major salute to those of you that did your thing today. Okay, this is a particular play. We had one contract. The average cost on this was $2.82. Marcus, if you see this, I want to say major salute. He took this up to 488 for a 73% move. Okay, I love to see this. Another $206. That's his $100 a day. We call that easy money, easy work. Hey, listen, guys, great job. Keep it up. We will do this again tomorrow, because I want you guys to be eating good and feeling good on Thursday when the market is closed at Thanksgiving, knowing that you knocked one out the park. But listen to this, guys, before we go. Don't overstay your welcome. Don't let this be the time of the year, because it's coming to the end of the year, that you're getting greedy. Make sure that you see profits and you take profits. Make sure that you are trading with a plan. Make sure you're not overstaying your welcome, okay? These plays are going to go up to certain levels, and then you have to respect what happens once they get there. If you're trying to force it, if you're trying to hold too long, if you're not happy with $25 and you trying to hold out for $100 and you overlooking the 25, and then that 25 end up being a negative 30 because you could have just took the 25, that's on you guys. And I want you guys to correct that thinking. I want you to correct that behavior in terms of how you're trading. Okay, small profits, base hits keep you in the game. Let the home run come. Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.